In this video, I will show you how to make this travel poster design using InShot video editor. Create a new video project and add your main photo. Go to PIP and overlay your design material, which you can get in Canva. Make it full screen, tap blend and select lighting. Adjust the position. Copy it and rotate it for the left position. Now add your second photo. Tap PIP and duplicate the left design. Now add your text. So here is the final result. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more InShot video editing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Much love I got for you and I will see you in the next video. Peace.